In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom meeting on your phone. Zoom app settings. To get started, open the Zoom Workplace app on your iPhone or Android phone. If you haven't already, sign into your Zoom account so you can access your meeting controls and host features. Once you're on the home screen, tap New Meeting. This is the quickest way to start hosting a meeting directly from your phone. Before you begin, you'll see the option to turn video on. If you want other participants to see you right away, make sure that setting is enabled. If not, you can leave it off and join with audio first, then tap Start a Meeting. At this point, Zoom may ask for permission to access your camera and microphone. Go ahead and allow those permissions if prompted because they're necessary if you want people to see and hear you clearly during the meeting. Once the meeting begins, tap anywhere on the screen to bring up the meeting controls. These controls may hide automatically, so tapping the screen is how you bring them back whenever you need them. To check who's in the meeting, tap Participants. This lets you see everyone who has joined, which is especially helpful when you're waiting for guests to arrive. If you want to communicate during the meeting without speaking, tap Chat. From there, you can send messages and, depending on your app options, files as well. If you need to present something, tap Share. This gives you the option to share your screen, photos, documents, or other supported content directly from your phone. It's a useful feature when you want attendees to follow along visually. For more host tools, tap More, shown as the three dots. Inside this menu, open Security to manage important meeting settings like participant permissions and the waiting room. These options help you control who can join and what attendees are allowed to do during the meeting. When you're ready to bring more people in, tap Participants, then Invite. From there, choose the method you want to use to send the invitation. This makes it easy to quickly add attendees after the meeting has already started. When you're done hosting, tap End in the top right corner. Since you're the host, you'll then choose End Meeting for All to close the meeting for everyone at once. That's all it takes to host a Zoom meeting from your phone and manage the key settings right from the app.